Behold, the new benchmark in the hot hatch segment, the 2023 Honda Civic Type R. Not merely a car but an experience, the Type R is an adrenaline-packed masterpiece combining thrilling performance with everyday practicality. This video will explore 10 crucial aspects of this technological marvel, from its enhanced design to its superb handling dynamics. Number 1. Aggressive yet sophisticated design, a blend of aggression and sophistication, the 2023 Honda Civic Type R looks fiercer than ever. Its sharper lines, sculpted aerodynamic shape, and unmistakable rear wing gives it a race-ready stance. Yet, with an improved, sleeker body design, it also possesses an air of elegance that ensures heads will turn, whether at the track or a high-end restaurant. The design elements work in tandem to create an assertive stance, adding a part of refinement to its raw power. Number 2. Powerful turbocharged engine. The beating heart of the 2023 Honda Civic Type R is a 2.0L VTEC turbocharged engine. This engineering marvel delivers a mind-boggling 306 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, enabling the Type R to push the boundaries of performance while maintaining the efficiency expected from a Honda. The engine's potent output signifies a perfect blend of power, performance, and reliability that Honda has been renowned for over the years. Number 3. Refined transmission system. The Civic Type R comes equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission featuring a rev match control system. The transmission is smooth and precise, allowing the driver to shift gears effortlessly, ensuring a deeper connection with the car and a more exhilarating driving experience. This blend of power and control makes the Type R a driver's car in the truest sense. Number 4. Advanced suspension and handling. In 2023, the Type R takes its track-borne legacy a step further with its advanced suspension system and better handling dynamics. The improved adaptive damper system adjusts suspension stiffness, catering to different driving scenarios. Thus, whether you're racing or cruising, the ride is nothing short of sublime. Number 5. Enhanced aerodynamics. The 2023 Civic Type R showcases Honda's dedication to aerodynamic performance. Its striking body design doesn't just look good, it also enhances stability at high speeds and improves downforce, making it an excellent performer on straightaways and in corners. Number 6. Redesigned interior. Stepping inside the Type R reveals a redesigned cockpit aimed at enhancing the driving experience. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, and the layout offers a driver-centric experience. The instrument panel is highly intuitive, ensuring all necessary information is easily accessible to the driver. Number 7. Innovative safety features. The Honda Civic Type R doesn't compromise on safety. It features Honda's Sensing Suite, which includes advanced safety and driver-assistive technologies like the collision mitigation braking system and adaptive cruise control, providing the driver and passengers with peace of mind. Number 8. Cutting-edge infotainment system. Keeping up with the digital age, the Type R offers a state-of-the-art infotainment system. With features like Apple CarPlay, the car keeps you connected on the go, all accessible via a responsive touchscreen display. Number 9. Fuel efficiency. Despite its powerful performance, the Type R still retains commendable fuel efficiency. The turbocharged engine ensures that power and efficiency are not mutually exclusive thanks to Honda's Earth Dreams technology, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Number 10. Competitive pricing. Finally, the 2023 Honda Civic Type R, with all its enhancements and features, comes at a competitive price. It makes a compelling case for itself in the hot hatch segment, offering superior performance and a high-tech package at a price that won't break the bank. In conclusion, the 2023 Honda Civic Type R is not just a car, it's a testament to Honda's prowess in engineering, design, and technology. It embraces its racing heritage while incorporating modern tech, comfort, and practicality. From its striking aesthetics to its exhilarating performance, it truly stands as a benchmark in the hot hatch segment. The Type R is a thrilling symphony of speed, power, and practicality, a car that both purists and tech enthusiasts will fall in love with. We hope you loved watching this video. If you did, kindly subscribe and share it with your friends. Also, press the bell icon to stay updated for more videos like this.